It's a common misconception that you need a high income to become rich. The truth is that it's not just about how much you earn, but also about how you manage your money. By developing good financial habits, anyone can achieve financial success and build long-term wealth, regardless of their income level. In fact, many people with modest incomes have become millionaires simply by living frugally, saving diligently, and investing wisely. Here are 13 simple yet powerful habits that can help you become rich even if you have a low income. So let's get started. 1. Live below your means. The idea is simple: spend less than you earn. This may mean cutting back on unnecessary expenses like eating out or buying new clothes. By living below your means, you free up extra money that can be used to pay off debt, invest in your future, or build up an emergency fund. Over time, these small financial decisions can add up and help you achieve financial stability and even wealth. Plus, by embracing a more minimalist lifestyle, you can learn to appreciate the simple things in life and find joy in experiences rather than possessions. So, if you're looking to improve your financial situation, start by living below your means and see how it can help you reach your goals. 2. Take the time to budget. The idea behind budgeting is to keep track of your income and expenses and make sure you're spending less than you earn. By creating and sticking to a budget, you can ensure that you're living within your means and not overspending. This can free up more money to put towards savings and investments, which can lead to long-term financial success. Budgeting can also help you identify areas where you may be overspending and find ways to cut back. This can help you live a more financially sustainable lifestyle and avoid accumulating debt. So, if you're looking to improve your financial situation, consider starting a budget. It can help you achieve financial stability and even wealth in the long run. 3. Get some skills that increase your income. When you develop new skills or expand your existing ones, you become more valuable in the job market, which can lead to higher paying job opportunities or the ability to earn more in your current job. You might consider taking courses or training programs to learn new skills that are in demand, such as coding, graphic design, or project management. You can also seek out mentorship or networking opportunities to gain insights and connections that can help you advance in your career. By increasing your earning potential, you can not only improve your current financial situation but also put yourself on a path towards long-term financial security. 4. Save on groceries. Food is one of the biggest expenses for most people, but there are many strategies you can use to cut down on your grocery bill. For example, you can plan your meals in advance and make a grocery list to avoid impulse purchases. You can also look for sales and discounts on the items you regularly buy and consider buying generic or store brand products instead of name brand items. Another way to save is by shopping at discount grocery stores or buying in bulk. When you make small changes to your grocery shopping habits, you can see big savings over time, which can add up to a significant amount of money. Plus, by eating more nutritious meals at home, you can improve your health and well-being while saving money at the same time. 5. Save first, spend later. The concept is simple: before you pay your bills or buy anything, set aside a portion of your income into savings. This may require you to adjust your spending habits and live within your means. By prioritizing savings, you build a safety net for unexpected expenses and emergencies. This can prevent you from falling into debt and accumulating high interest rates. It may be tempting to spend all of your income as soon as you earn it, but saving first can help you achieve financial stability and even financial independence. So, if you're looking to improve your financial situation, consider making saving a priority. It may require some sacrifice and discipline, but it can lead to long-term financial freedom and wealth. 6. Pay off your credit card debt every month. Debt can accumulate quickly and can be challenging to pay off, especially if you're only making minimum payments. Interest rates can add up, and you may end up paying more than you originally borrowed. By avoiding debt, you can save yourself from this financial burden and free up more money to put towards savings and investments. If you do need to take out a loan or use a credit card, be sure to do so responsibly and pay off the balance in full each month. This can help you build a good credit score and avoid paying high interest rates. So, if you're looking to improve your financial situation, make it a priority to avoid debt as much as possible. It may take some self-discipline and sacrifice, but it can lead to long-term financial success and wealth. 7. Start a side hustle. A side hustle is a way to earn additional income outside of your primary job or business. It can be anything from freelancing, selling goods online, to providing services to others. By starting a side hustle, you can increase your income and have more money to put towards savings and investments. It also provides a sense of security by diversifying your income streams. It may take some effort and time to get your side hustle off the ground, but the potential for financial gain is worth it. Plus, it can be a fun and fulfilling way to explore your interests and passions. So, if you're looking to improve your financial situation, consider starting a side hustle. With determination and a willingness to learn, it can lead to long-term financial success and even wealth. 8. Automating your finances whenever possible. By setting up automatic transfers and payments, you can ensure that your bills are paid on time and that you're saving money consistently. For example, you can set up automatic contributions to a savings account or retirement plan each paycheck, which can help you build your wealth over time. And also for bills to ensure that you don't miss any payments. Automating your finances can help you stay on track with your financial goals and avoid unnecessary expenses. It can also reduce the stress and time required to manage your finances manually. With many banks and financial institutions offering automatic transfer and payment options, it's easier than ever to automate your finances. By automating your finances, you can take a hands-off approach to managing your money and focus on other aspects of your life, while still building your wealth and achieving financial success. 9. Taking advantage of employer benefits. Many employers offer a range of benefits that can help you save money and build wealth, such as retirement plans, health insurance, and tuition reimbursement. By enrolling in these benefits, you can take advantage of valuable perks that can help you achieve financial security. For example, a 401k plan with employer matching contributions can help you save for retirement. Health insurance can also help you save money on medical expenses, and tuition reimbursement can help you invest in your education and future earning potential. Some employers offer other benefits, such as discounted gym memberships or public transit passes. By taking advantage of these benefits, you can stretch your income further and save money on everyday expenses. 10. Ask for a raise. If you've been at your job for a while and feel like you've been performing well, it may be time to approach your boss and ask for a salary increase. Before doing so, it's important to prepare by gathering information on industry standards for your position and being able to articulate your accomplishments and contributions to the company. You should also be prepared to negotiate and consider alternative forms of compensation, such as bonuses or additional benefits. So don't be afraid to speak up and ask for what you deserve, it just might be the key to unlocking your financial potential. 11. Investing in your health. Good health is essential for leading a productive life, and it can also help you save money in the long run. When you invest in your health, you're making smart decisions that can help you avoid expensive medical bills or treatments down the road. For example, eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep can all help prevent chronic health conditions that can be costly to manage. Investing in your mental health can help you stay productive and focused, which can lead to career success and financial stability. You can start small by making healthier food choices, going for a daily walk, or practicing mindfulness meditation. There are also many free resources available, such as online exercise classes or mental health hotlines. By investing in your health, you're not only improving your quality of life, but you're also setting yourself up for long-term financial success. 12. Save up a 6-month emergency fund. Emergencies happen, and having a financial cushion can help you weather unexpected expenses or income disruptions without derailing your financial goals. By setting aside enough money to cover 6 months of living expenses, you can protect yourself and your family from financial hardship in case of job loss, medical emergencies, or other unexpected events. Having an emergency fund can also help you avoid going into debt to cover these expenses, which can set you back financially. By prioritizing your emergency fund savings, you can gain peace of mind and the ability to weather financial storms without sacrificing your long-term financial goals. 13. Starting small with your investment. Investing doesn't have to be reserved for people with lots of money to spare. By starting with small investments, you can start building your portfolio and take advantage of compound interest over time. Compound interest means that your earnings are reinvested and start earning interest themselves, leading to exponential growth over time. Starting small can also help you learn about investing without risking too much money. You can start with low-cost index funds or other low-risk investments to get started. As you become more comfortable with investing and your income grows, you can gradually increase your investment contributions. It's important to remember that investing always carries some level of risk, so it's essential to do your research and seek professional advice if needed. So, if you're looking to improve your financial situation, consider starting small with your investments. With patience and discipline, even small investments can lead to long-term financial success and wealth. That's it. You've taken a big step towards financial freedom by taking time to learn about these 13 habits that can help you become rich even with a low income. By implementing these habits into your daily routine, you can take control of your financial situation and set yourself up for a better future. If you have any questions or want to share your own tips for building wealth with a low income, feel free to leave a comment below. Best of luck on your journey to financial success. I hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, then subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.